breathing through it. Take a couple more. 5. Remember, pulling in the belly button in the spine. 3, 2, and 1. And then you're gonna drop down to your elbows. Hold here. You're gonna arch. And then tuck your chin in. Just like that. Keep moving through the arch and then tuck. Focusing on the protraction right here. And the retraction of the shoulders. We could even do some circles here. Oh my gosh, I know in some of my original videos that weren't popular, I did a bunch of shoulders moves. Yeah, let me throw some in here too. Show you guys some moves. Here's one. If you take your arms wide out into a push-up position, and you kind of dive through, and then up and around, big circle, yep. Who remembers this one? I feel like I'm rubbing the microphone on the ground, my apologies.